If you know what they done, you know, the man, you know, the one, you know, right now, me I rep
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know, you see me?
On YouTube, you know, come in say YouTube, that tube, and such tube, yo.
Yeah, Chaddy I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper said that.
It's exploding right now.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people, many things I'm now gonna do an next Spice review, but guess what? Spice do it, so me have to do the review. And this week, just dedicated to Spice, now man. She deserve it. But before me go into the review, I would like you to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. And people, if you subscribe already, just turn on your post notification, man. So nobody have to tell us that Chaddy drop a video, you know. You're gonna see it on your phone. So, in case you live under a rock, let me tell you what going on with the whole Spice argument. Zine, a week or two ago, Spice deleted every picture of her Instagram account, Zine, included her profile picture, and she unfollowed everybody, Zine. So, you know, say Spice IG at because Spice have over 1 million followers on IG, Zine. So, Spice goes so booms and delete everything and delete her followers them, or I should say delete who she's following. So only thing she leave on it is her name, which is Spice Official, you know, say the blue tick did the same way, and who a follow her. So Monday she did a live on her same Instagram account and then post this picture, which it looked to me like she bleach out. It looked to the whole Jamaica like she bleach out. She well white. So you know, say people run with it. The whole internet stop for a minute. All hail Spice. Not necessarily still, but I mean, everybody knows Spice as black somebody. So when them see this picture surface on social media, one brown Spice, or I should say one white Spice, everybody a wonder, say, yo, our Spice really do to herself. And then on the live, she say she bleach. So people are say, yo, what the hell? Why Spice with a bleach? You see me? Then later on talking on the live, she say she have one album I promote and one song. So the album is called Captured, and the song, well, it's not an album, it's a mixtape because she's still tied in a contract with VP. You see me? So she can't do no album. So the mixtape is called Captured. And the song where she promote heavily on the mixtape is called Black Hypocrisy. So you know, said that should raise a red flag, but apparently Jamaica never really pick up well. She does do it for the drama, cause some people are say, yo, I did bleach, and some other people are say, no, she look good. So some people are say, yo, why she do herself so? And another people are say, yo, oh, me love the new and improved Spice. So you know, say a bag of people run with it, who a make meme of her, from who just a make fun of her, from who a bash her, from who a support her, and I say, Spice, no matter how you look, we love your music same way. And me did couple review on it. You can click the link. May I put the link them in the description or in the comment card above. Alright. So fast forward to the next day, Spice got so boom and dropped the bad song and dropped the video. She dropped the song, dropped the video. Or I should say drop the video for the song. Either way, it up on YouTube, the video the song there. You see me? Everybody love it. But she hit Wendy Williams show. Everybody talk about it. International media, every single newspaper in Jamaica and the Caribbean, every media house in the Caribbean talk about it. You see me? And couple huge platform in America, TMZ run with it. What them name? All of them, all of the media outlet them. See me? And I said she bigly it Wendy Williams show. That was like the high point. Then the video, like, it went instant #1 on trending for Jamaica. So yeah, it depend #1 for trending Jamaica. That easy for do, right? But guess what? Look at this. The video is at #4 trending in America. Yes, people, the video the number 4 trending in America. Now, there is only 2 artists in Jamaica that have made the top 5 trending list, and that is Popcorn and now recently added Spice. And Spice made number 4. And people, it's just one day she uploaded it, the video get 1 million views in one day. Solid 1 million views in one day. People, me don't know about Uno, but I am proud of Spice. I am so proud of Spice right now. You would even know. And if you know, say she use publicity stunt, but what? She use it in a good way. You see me? She not use it in a degrading way where I never no leak photo a grown circulate with her with nothing in her mouth. I never that. It's a picture where she change her color. Zine, and she do it just for the attention. She do it for the attention plus to prove a point. Cause she want to prove a point to Jamaican people. I say, yo, and not only Jamaican people, cause Spice a big international artist. And bleaching don't go on only in a Jamaica alone. It go on a foreign too. I just we kinda do it. They see it with the cake soap and cake soap. Anyhow, number 4 trending in America. Remember, all of the hype right now is around Cardi B. Cause Cardi B just dropped one bad song. Zane, one song on him. Money, something like that. You see me? Bad song still. And then we see Spice there. A number 4 trending in America. People, the song is not available for purchase yet, The album is not available for purchase yet until Friday, And the pre-order alone, it the number 1 for iTunes reggae chart. And it not the number 1 today, it the number 1 from yesterday. That is the day when she dropped the song. It the number 1 on iTunes reggae chart. Come on, man. Spice have done well. As well, I said before, Spice she not trend by something degrading. She a trend for prove a point. She a trend for send a clear message. She a trend for a change. She do a publicity stunt for a change. People, more than the other artists them for looking at them thing. Looking at yourself. When you know how to publicity stunt, is it for a cause? The publicity stunt are go benefit your community, it are go benefit Jamaica, or it only a benefit you and I make you sell record. And then again, somehow know how to publicity stunt. I mix up that already, man. I threw me overwhelming now. Some of uno are do publicity stunt. And it never benefit because when you check your levels sometime only 10 CD uno sell. You see me? 2 of them are your parents buy it. 5 out of them are between your brother and your sister them. You see me? And then the next 3 them are your close friend, or 1 of them are your girlfriend. That if you have a girlfriend, can no for uno kinda secret China Sykes. But people, more uno congratulate Spice. And yo, when you see if vlogger them a talk about Spice, uno no say nothing right now. When uno see people a talk about Spice, uno allow people make them talk about Spice because them deserve it. You hear that? Spice right now deserve the highlighter. She deserve it. People, the mixtape name capture, and indeed Spice capture the whole of our eyes right here now, because the whole internet and their mother, hold on, the internet of mother. Well, the internet mother would have most likely be cable, though. That makes sense. The whole internet and their mother are talk about Spice right now. So people, want to help me to congratulate Spice. In the comment section, just comment Spice, you are number 1. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. I'm going to have to tell everybody thanks for watching and thanks for supporting me and my channel. People, the channel are do good. It probably not grow as fast as how me probably think it would. And then I don't want to be greedy. My channel is growing. I feel good. You see me? So me I congratulate myself too of this nice platform with these lovely people and these lovely subscribers. So uno big up on yourself, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, don't wait, don't hesitate, just hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification, so anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know me. Nah stop say it. Subscribe, click the like button as well. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and just follow me over IG, you know, man. Some short things me post over there, you know, at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. That's my Instagram page. I'm out.
But the things when me I go say, you might not even love me back. I get hate from my own race, yes, that's a fact. Cause the same black people, them say I'm too black. And if you bleach out your skin, them same one